Okay, we are now going to consider problems 3 and 4. Oh, I think it works better to do it sideways here. So here we go. Problem 3 and 4. Problem 3 says, what force is necessary to start a 10 kilogram box moving across a flat floor if the coefficient of static friction is 0.45? Well, this is a 10 kilogram box and mu equals 0.45. So in order to get the force of friction, this is static friction, to equal the applied force, because this is basically what it's saying is you have to apply enough force to break this static friction loose. So that means they have to be equal. Static friction has to equal the applied force, which is equal to mu static, that's this, 0.45 times the normal force. Well, the normal force is equal to mg because this is on a flat surface. M is 10, if g is about, well, g is 9.8, so 10 times 9.8 is 98. So normal force is 98. 98 times 0.45 is about 0.45-ish, because 100 times 0.5 would be 45. That's what I meant. 0.45 times 100 is 45. So it's about 45 something-ish would be the applied force. Now, problem 4 says, if the coefficient of kinetic friction of the box in this problem is 0.16, what will the acceleration be if the force necessary to start it is continued? Well, remember this applied force here is going to be the force to the right, because the net force horizontally is right force minus left force. Well, the right force is the applied force here. The left force is the friction, and friction is normal force times mu sub k. Mu sub k is 16, normal force is mg, So the net force is force right minus force left.